Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix the notes of Instagram if they are missing. So the process is going to be very simple and it's gonna be same for Android and as well as for iOS. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, and over there you have to search for Instagram and check if there is any update available for the Instagram. Then update it to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. So simply update the Instagram to its latest version, and once you have done, now simply open it up, and once you're at the dashboard of Instagram, now check if your problem is solved or not. But if you're still having the same problem, then the second thing you can do is to again go to your profile and click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and head to settings. Now once you're in settings, now you're gonna go to account, and in account scroll down at the very bottom, and here you will find switch to professional mode. So just simply switch your account type to the professional mode. Now I believe that switching to the professional mode and back will get you most of the missing features that you haven't necessarily received yet from the Instagram. So just switch your profile type to the professional profile, and here we go. You can see this is the professional mode of my profile, and we're gonna go again to account and switch it back to the personal account. Alright, so we have done. Now again go back to the messenger and check if the notes problem is fixed or not, and most probably this time your problem will be fixed. But in the case if your problem will not fixed and it's still the same, then in the last what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Instagram settings, and over there you're gonna go to help, and you have to report a problem. So just simply report your problem, and over there one thing that I want to mention, that either you can copy the same keywords from here or you can just do it by yourself, doesn't matter. But once you will mention your problem and submit the request, Instagram will notify you within 24 hours and most probably your problem will be fixed. So these are some basic solutions through which you can get your missing Instagram notes back. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.